Hi, welcome to the podcast. I'm really happy you're here today. This is a space to practice English, a calm space. No pressure, no stress. You don't need perfect English. You don't need to understand everything. Just listen and enjoy the conversation.
Yes, exactly. This podcast is for real people. People who are learning English step by step. If you're a beginner, you're in the right place.
Today's topic is talking about your day.
You'll listen to a simple English conversation from the morning to the night.
You'll learn how to talk about your routine, your work, and your day using easy English.
Just listen first. We'll explain everything at the end.
Let's begin. Hi, how are you? Good morning.
Good morning. I'm good. I'm a little tired.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I do.
Nice. What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up early, but I can't start my day if I don't prepare this first.
Oh, really? What is it?
Coffee.
Of course, coffee first.
Yes, after coffee, I'm ready.
Do you work in the morning?
Yes, I work in the morning.
Is work busy today?
Yes, a little, but it's okay.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like my job.
Do you have a break at work?
Yes, I have a 1 hour break.
Nice. What do you do on your break?
I eat lunch. I relax a little and I drink more coffee.
More coffee again.
Yes, coffee helps me. What do you do after work?
After work, I go home.
Are you tired?
Yes, I'm very tired. What do you do at night?
At night, I eat dinner. I relax a little.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I do. I watch TV or my phone.
And then?
Then I go to bed. I sleep early.
Sounds like a long day.
Yes, it's a long day, but it's a good day.
Okay. Now let's explain some important words and sentences from the conversation. Talk about your day. Repeat after me. Talk about your day. I wake up early. Repeat. I wake up early. I work in the morning. Repeat. I work in the morning.
I have a 1 hour break. Repeat, I have a 1 hour break. After work, I go home. Repeat, after work, I go home.
At night, I go to bed early. Repeat. At night, I go to bed early. Great job. Repeat this every day. Little by little, your English will improve.
All right, that's all for today.
Thank you for listening. And practice these sentences every day. See you next time.